Ama ekichibe sanguru kuchira marieta mange sana. Ekeboko, orwenyi, amagomba. Tunda chinyinga karangeri umwana umwabo. Wono chintunda chinyinge. Make use. Obuojo mutakeire. Skuru chego abana mbatakeire bitabu. Mondongwe bware chiri buga. Ikomi. Kila rituko mondongo bware 10,000. Na mwiso bwe week. 1200 ko pocket wese ko wali my friend. Ayenga yugo tikara. Okobwa na kwomogoko waye. Igwa ko genda sesi miao ya koboko lipa na mpesa. Genda say baby business number 51 54 50 account Ndizi. Okomeka emya yemo yokai. Unokobeka chintunda chinyinge chance yao yobobwi igere guru. Chintunda chinyinga karangeri umwana umwabo. Wono chintunda chinyinge make use.
Egosoriye yokwebwere nenko nigo yanchireni kiombe ya PCLB ne namba ya 002660. Egosoriye ni yabantoa bari myaka 13 guche igoro. Esukuru yokurwa morokerio yobubwenia ya Ram Training College egutoka imeyomu chukisi nige ukumanyebuna nigo bakurwa morokerio yebirenko bigoro na nigo bancheire nekiombe kiamangana yechisemi Technical Vocational Education na Nursing Council of Kenya nigo babuata mabaga asechikos chikobwatia Diploma in Nursing, Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Medical Social Work Voigo nkwegeria bare Theater Technology amaigerio a HTS NASCOP nkurwa bare nigo baokora matemwa a Kenya National Examination Council Gusii asebali bakurwa tambe mbabwate chi hostels chokomenya nigo bare asenyegitari ya Ram ere ange nekigambiro kia Kisii Low Courts mbabwatoro sagyaronde ange ne kanisa Deliverance Church imeyomo chukisi apply riba gabono as a PO Box 81-40200 Kisii Gose oa Kisii miasi namba enotisano na ibere yemo isato marakabere ibere yemo enotisano Gose enotisano na yemo isano na enoti marakabere ibere isano na isano nemo Gose enotisano na ibere isano na kianda enoti isano nemo inye kianda nabokubarikira liuko ase email yabo info.ramcollege@gmail.com. Ndizi TV Obwansu.
Omanjo morigere na ndire chinga chini go kware ni asa mangana itamaye Chinsa Ikomi kone ni gocha na chekirida kaisano ase Chinsa Ikomi kwa marongo kware ni asemese ya iyo ya mangana mayiru mayana ali twende go asangiru yake te kaboniga no kubori kwa na karanso ikendora mayana ali ande watka mina isko ya Gusii koru chingongo nye chenze moja sugusomo na ilianyi wana kosemer kwa na ole angene TV yao genda utubwati era sensemeri mitandao ni otonyora Ndizi TV News Digital inasema ya Facebook baga sensema ya YouTube ni otonyora Ndizi TV News yokonyora chingaki na bagoto tweet @Ndizi TV News boigo na bagoto mekerengera gwetera se namba yera skini yao igura bende tokonyora senjera ya bene ni cyo kirekera abarokiwa abakirasigia kianda bagendrete ko sasiskuru awa sense yaito ya Kenya na nekrorika litko lya kabere boiga ba Kenya go sabarai awa ne baendete gutuma magombo kujya sense ya takia Watekana no mo wasukano go sikuwatekana ne hatikwigo sumo utenge choma no nyarete go kobase ensemeli boigo maraibu ense Dr. William Ruto nigo au mernire nabara ne bali bachori no mabwasi myo ra umoja usibachori kuno asikia magyo DM ekerobai kasensemeli ya state house gona kware ne asenjera yabene obena inchi go ikomo iri rumanya yu amo na manke banaendete watekemi ne square usi Joshua Auta erora sensemeli umunwe manyeredio Nigeria ne Brighton Makori. Aye Chinsa Ikomi banoni gotoka jaga kurwa se sukuru yoboroso ya birongo ye gotoka se bunge ya Nyaribari chache kera baibori ibanyarire bakwe murungani anenekero baote abuna eskuru ya boni go yatige tumaega ekere serikali go se wisara yechemi yale kwena na junior secondary school kolengana ana baibori abono nigo baburirie serikali wethere wisara yechemi ikwende kimuna ngwe gubare amangana junior secondary kolengana barumwe batera abana babo nigo bakwenda go ikaiga kiale ase school ya junior secondary school nigo bono batera na barabwo nigo babwate bintu biri bitakeire go se bisaine kwegwa eskuru ya junior secondary school
igondo mo chairman we school ya itobirongo egentana na giatoretira na abaibuli bane be school negenteke gia junior secondary igo twabwata tukauru junior secondary ntwamaite procedure neririye ekara uri bane igo bagekiri mono igo baachira na marianda manene abana babo batume school chiare ne school ebwatekere egento getanga ne school etobwata modern toilets otobwata modern classes efiliatere super efiliatere ngare mono eisaine na intoko gwe junior secondary
gaki atubwata obororo abarane twatanda kire oroje tubwata gatiga kire bikene tubwata skuru weye yanda mako ru abana baito bamako ru skuru atamba atambe maiga bana bako kuru amaiso abana ngoro mubane chinyanga upara tujago soka bane ke mambi mnane skuru bako tubwata skuru ga obana mutana tubwata ya baibali chicho tubwata ya baibali eskono tubwati inkitu tubwati tenda gaki omaisi miwa maje kwasole twale ne kurubirongo
no semeruna bari babaibuli abono baje baegwa bwene bwabekera batagete junior secondary school assistance mbegero tusuka bosio oni gotoka ndo ikase county Nyamira gotoka ndo ikase school ya bamura ya Nyambari asumwana yo mwanyara ka ikase school eyo atabwati kende anene school fees ekorende niganyoro bokonyi no mwarimu monene we school eyo teture ngakyo mosawo yo oswase kirasi ya kianda nyara ka okwana
county ya Kisii sub county yetago igoro nachitese skuru gaiga ya Nyambaria erinde mba admitted nyore ginko eguna yana admission number ngende u apply bursary kiagera efi ntwabwate na shopping chinde kira nachite gaiga principal yesukuru nyanko nyete egante bi mbere skuru ne tuning form
ekirabona yo agendete gosasa kerikirasi gia kianda kigabaruko abaruko bagendete gosasa kiskuru ejo nigo mwarimu monene bwe skuru ya moige su James Manyinera ereire buna abana skuru nigo bajakira gosabu ya asase meretu buna na achi kora gosabaruko bagoswa asekirasi gia kianda se skuru ejo nigo barachokora buya semia kene irasi skuru go kwana niga teruna skuru ejo nigere tayari mono kwaligania abaruko bali bagoswa se skuru yinde banyal bakonyora amasomo asemiaka ene.
Those ones who have not reported, we are still prepared and ready to receive them so that we can be able to facilitate the admission for these learners so that they can be able to settle in our school. We may need to expand facilities like library, that will be very critical as the number is increasing. Our school has an enrollment of 2,400 students. That means that we need to expand our facilities so that we are able to accommodate and settle these students and be able to have easy time to implement the curriculum. And we still have very high
kurwase sukuru ya Gusii gotokwenda wikase sukuru ya Mabuko asitokonyora mwarimu monene we sukuru eyo allowings juma winero tebiruna aboroki wabange bari basweta sukuru eyo hanene abange nigo bakuru asemeche metaka asebana aboli abasamaria bagwesokera gokonya aboroki wabu goswase sukuru na kwegenderia masomo bwakwana nigateruna nere nasemeretuna aboroki wabu basoira sukuru imba chokora buya asamatuko alebosio.
We have so many total orphans that have just reported amongst the ones that are continuing in Form 1, 2, and 3. From 2, 3, and 4. Actually, we have some that we are hosting the school freely without paying the school fee because they cannot manage totally. So I've accommodated them so that they can get their free meals in school, go to class and learn. Normally organized with the guidance and counseling department and some teachers so that we contribute some little money to give them their shopping, their personal effects so that they can also get education. Because what we're giving is a tentative the long-term solution should come from the CDF committee. Once these people have been identified from primary school, the needy orphans, once identified from primary school, the CDF committee should develop a policy where from primary school they are followed into the university, so that they don't pay school for them at primary, secondary, and then they abandon them there. So we should follow up these orphans into the universities. I think that is the best way of helping these orphans, to give them fit, they can stand on strongly in future. But left in between, like that money is thrown to the lake.
Ese moya bibo na baraboni go bago keira bokari weji skuru hanene krabanya ba koira bana baborra sabibo di barabanya ba ukwana ni gana barabanya ba kuburia serikali go konya jisukuru asuku watu kajibese endo bokorali wa masomo gendra skuru sensito ya Kenya.
Katika hii shule ningeomba kusema kwamba walimu pongezi kwa kazi nzuri ambao mnaoifanya. Ndana kitu kingine, hawa wanafunzi wanaoenda kuingia katika kidato cha kwanza ningeomba waanze masomo ipasavyo. Then school fee naomba waweze kupata CDF kutoka chanzo chao mbalimbali. Then changamoto ambazo zingine ziko katika hii shule, ningeomba serikali peane pesa alafu ujenzi ikaweza kuendeleza.
Kitu nimeona kwa hii shule, serikali yetu ituongezee pesa, majengo ikue vizuri, rangi ipakwe vizuri, hata tukiingia ndani tunaona watoto wetu wako mahali pazuri. Serikali isaidie hii shule. Tunaomba serikali yetu iendelee kutuinua, inue hii shule kwa sababu ni shule mzuri.
Ekere serikali ye county umabe yarorekandire kokore cheche abarimu bekerasiye isidia sensemeyo nigobono abagwatani begisemi bakurawa nomo secretary go somoliki wekyombe kyana dikorwa seoro sagioru anyareka weso kina kwegerera abarimu abo asateruna abarimu bari bakore emirimo ase ensemeria isidi ni bakore emirimo mekongu yokora abana asigiskure yiboni gaterona tigaboro kiwa banyare bagosikwa ali barabara kore emirimo yabasenjera engia.
There is a real difference between human beings and being human. They have not done whatever they have done with a human face. They are not being human. They are human beings. These very people are teaching our children and their children from the early years where they still have mucus on their noses, where they are still assisted on defecation, and these are the people who struggle with them. We hear they carried out some job evaluation. Does it mean their job evaluation revealed that these people are doing zero job?
Igati yababunge bali bachorire no mabwa nekyama gyodiem bali inse yo mabwa simura moja litkolero nigo baba bageni bomrai bwense Dr. William Ruto asamagacho a state of Sitko lialero asenseme karobai korro nigo barekana bali no mogoke karobai ka asenseme igati yaba Kenya abange nigo beso kirina komocha barayabo anene ekarabanya rabawe ka asenseme ya state house ekerenga kelibino murai bwense niga baretira mekarata getego chokore taro yanande go cha asenseme ya nyanse karawo chikogora nande emeroberiende yamagendro asenseme igati yabadbanya rabawe karano gose abarayabo ka asenseme yo nigo barawa na oyo muwasiri bo werani eridio waro yo kurukuru asenseme yo amona ababunge bali bachorire no bomo bwa simuro moja wa Kenya wetrasi kiama ya ODM. Omokonyi bomurai bwense rigatika shawa nigo bona nyarire ka ukwanira nene yanyalege korekana bunebi oburwaire gose binyinyi ibinyamoro nigo bendete gukina sense ya Kenya ka ukwana nigo bona nyarire kuboria basae abo yarekana no mubaro manene ubutware binyinyi ibinyamoro banyare bagwetanga korwase ebikoro biribira nyare koreto burwaire obugose nyare gukini mubaro bukombukarana bwendwali yo yenyamoro.
It's a challenge in Kenya, is coming back. Though the numbers have reduced drastically, we have a new challenge of our young people, the young population, the adolescent age, the teenagers, and it's quite worrisome because that is the generation that we rely on for developing this country. And that is a group that is mostly affected, and especially so during the COVID period. I think this of our young people staying at home and interactions among young people and being quite a bit irresponsible and probably lack of proper knowledge and education in matters HIV and AIDS has led to serious rise in number of infections as well as teenage pregnancies. We must encourage local manufacturing, and what this office is doing is to unlock bureaucracy and red tape. The President has created a Ministry for Trade, Investment and Industry to have partnership with investors.
Ekiombe kemoni ogenyarege kubwatu koroboti uru koro kibuna bali no bore mambanyarite bakwegwa mabagaisa ina sobochori bwetete bakwana ne wana banyarire bakuburia bakenya nene kosika na kuba amasikani bali bakuriye birugo anene bali babwate michando awo ose bali no borema.
Our politics are politics of money. It is extremely expensive to participate in our politics. So that question of money, the question of not having limits to what you can spend your money on in an electoral campaign, is a question that we here need to worry about. Part of the reason women, young people and persons with disability cannot participate in elections properly in the country and win is this question of resources.
For people with visual disability, how do they vote today? Isn't it to ask somebody to help them to tick? Yeah, tick for me where you see so and so. But how there is no guarantee that what you tick on their behalf is what they intended. So
as political parties, let's give those people who are able to win the seat the opportunity.
Ayugati yali bandonda to ko bateria kroga nyora senjere yo keranu ge koragense yam yawan marwaba kroji ko yale terna frino sere krabali kweto baende ko yali kani bachu ko sasamana ge koragense yam yawan no ko bona to ska goro Ndizi TV nero wansumo Gusii kyagere mero beria ronne me ko nguna ndemelito ekwene kuna yawe kira senjira ya beno yolinga sensemiri mu mayerelio niga kurugwa shosho Auta krabagari nyanja mane kuna mali wine chibichago chira senjira bene Nigeria ne Brighton Makori.